Hey everybody, thanks for joining us today. This is Leon with Show Me Boy Outdoors. Today we are conducting a fundraiser for the St. Louis Fire Department's K9 Search and Rescue Team. And with me I have members of the team. I'm a member of the team. I have Tommy Gardner here to my right with the newest addition to our team. This is Wilson. He is a Hanoverian hound. He is a cadaver hound. Then I have Ian right here to my left. He has Armor. Armor is the longest standing member of the team. She's been with us now, what, 6 years maybe?
5 years.
5 years. She's the oldest dog we have on the team, the longest standing member of the team. This is Armor. She's a live find hound, live find dog. And then we have Don over here on the end. Don has a K9. She's not with us today, but he has was it German short hair?
Yes.
And she is also a live find dog as well. So these are the members of our K9 team. We are a self-supported team. That means we do not get any funding from the city of St. Louis or from the St. Louis Fire Department. So these fundraisers that we conduct are very important. And this is probably the funnest fundraiser that we have. Today we're bird hunting down here in Dittman, Missouri. We're about 45 minutes outside of the city of St. Louis at Will Nor Outdoors. So anybody got anything to say about the hunt today or the K9 team? How's it been going?
Going good. We appreciate the support, and this is huge beneficial for us.
Absolutely. Ian's coordinated most of this event here this year. This is your first year really, taking the reins on this and doing it. How have things been going?
Great. This is our biggest turnout yet. We've had almost 30 teams sign up for the 2-day event. So yeah, by far our best.
Pretty good. Don, you hunting today?
I'm hunting tomorrow.
You hunting tomorrow. Well, hey guys, like I said, thanks for tuning in. Thanks for joining us, and we've got more to come. Okay. What's your name, bud?
Justin Gaffron.
Justin Gaffron. Where are you from?
St. Charles.
St. Charles? Okay. How'd you hear about the bird hunt?
Elliot here.
Elliot, how'd you hear about the bird hunt?
Barker.
Hey, how'd you hear about the bird hunt?
Send an email.
Gasher right there.
Attaboy. Dude, here. Right here. All right. Hey, yeah. Up. All right, this might get up early.
Oh,
It's all right. It's okay. We'll shoot it.
good shot. Good shot. Good shot. Good shot.
Right here. All right. Yeah.
All right, looks like he's about to lock up.
Whoa. All right, keep coming up with me.
There's two of them. Good shot, fellas. Where's he at?
That a boy. Yeah. All right. Now you want me to start carrying some?
No, you're fine. Keep rolling, Mom. Like I said, I need to work.
Here. Up.
Good shot.
Duke. That a boy. Duke, here. Right here. All right. Hey, get him. Whoop.
There he is.
That a boy. Duke, here. What's that? You want us to do it? Yeah, that's usually the best. Just in case they go backwards. Sure. Duke, here. All right.
So hey everybody, this is a friend of mine, Nick Jewell. Nick Jewell is a board member of the 10-8 Project, and we can't say enough about what the 10-8 Project has done for the K-9 unit of the St. Louis Fire Department. Nick, thanks for coming out and supporting us today.
No, thanks so much. It's so great to support y'all. You guys do amazing work. Thank you for all you do, putting your lives out there every day, and we're happy to help and support y'all.
We appreciate that. Hey, I know you're a good guy, a giving guy, working with the 10-8 Project, but you're also a good shot. I've been checking you out.
I do my part. I try to do that. So thanks, Leon.
All right, Nick. Thanks for being out here today. Appreciate it.
No, thank you all.
All right. Going over there. I'm just gonna get this hand open up the door. Hey everybody, I'm here with Andy Moulton and Tatum Stone of the 10-8 Project. Tatum Stone is the executive director.
Correct.
And Andy, are you the founder?
Founder, co-founder with Nicholas Sansone.
Okay, so you're co-founder. And can you tell me about the 10-8 Project?
Absolutely. So we started the 10-8 Project 2 years ago. We donate lots of things to first responders, fire departments, and law enforcement agencies. We try to primarily focus on specialized units, such as your guys' unit. And our focus is to save lives, to save as many lives, and bring awareness with the community. So we're a community-based organization. We fundraise only from our communities, and then everything that we donate is paid for by said funds. We've been around, like I said, for 2 years, and we've been able to donate quite a few dogs, quite a few vehicles, quite a few guns, quite a few training with the guns, armor for some departments, and yeah, we have a lot of plans for the next couple of years.
Well, thank you for everything you do. I had a chance meeting with Andy at a quick trip in St. Louis. What was that, about 3 years ago, maybe?
That's right around 3 years.
Yeah, about 3 years ago, chance meeting, and through that meeting, I was able to connect with him and connect with the 10A project. We've coordinated several fundraisers. In this van that you see behind us, they raised the money and it was donated to the St. Louis Fire Department. The fire department, the city of St. Louis, didn't have to pay a dime for it. We've gotten one of our K9s from Andy, just a ton of equipment. So we can speak specifically to the work that 10A Project does. Any funds that are raised for the 10A Project supports first responders. Now, you guys, nationally or regionally?
So we have donated nationally. We try to stay focused on regional. A lot of our funds come regionally, but we do have some projects in other states as well.
Okay, great. So this van they found for us. It's a 4-wheel drive van. This is our K9 unit, and wrapped it, designed it, everything. We're thankful, and I can't speak enough about Andy and the 10A Project and the new executive director, Tatum Stone. Sounds like a UFC fighter, don't it? But Tatum, do you have anything for us?
I just started. I moved here in November, so I'm just excited to get started, and I love working with everyone that I've got to work with so far. So I'm just really looking forward to the year.
Okay, so are you new to the St. Louis area?
Yes, I moved here in June from 3 hours south of here, a little town called Bernie in the Missouri Boot Hills. So,
Oh, okay, great.
Yeah, I'm very new.
Well, welcome.
Thank you.
Thank you for coming up to St. Louis and jumping on board with the 10A project. Like I say, I can speak directly to its impact and its effectiveness. So I'm sure that you're going to carry the torch and take it even further.
Thank you.
Yeah. So thank you guys for being here, and thank you for coming out and
thanks for
supporting
having
us
us.
today on our fundraiser. Appreciate
Absolutely.
it. Thank you. Hi, Tatum. Thank you. So hey everybody, this is Bill Kuntz, right?
Yes, sir.
The owner proprietor of Wilnor Outdoors here in Dittmer, Missouri. We're about 45 minutes outside of St. Louis.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So Bill, when did you open up here?
About 35 years ago.
35 years ago. 35 years ago.
I actually started this when I was 50.
Really? Started this when you were 50.
Yeah.
Now, what made you want to go into open up your own outdoor guiding service here?
Well, my ex-wife wanted our other business worse than I did, so I sold my half of that to her.
Okay.
And I've been working dogs and hunting all my life, so it was kind of a natural. Matter of fact, my buddy Kent right there, he and I field trial bird dogs all over the country. And anyway, I sold my half of the other business, decided to start this.
Okay. So what type of guiding do you do here? Is it just birds, or do you do other?
Oh, we do a little bit of deer and turkey hunting.
Okay, you do?
some guided turkey hunts, but mainly upland bird hunts.
Mainly upland birds.
Pheasants, quail, chukars.
Okay. Well, I'll tell you what, this is my second year here, and I've really enjoyed it. Love the operation you got here. You got good guides. It's your buddy Kent right here?
Yep.
How you doing, sir?
Doing fine.
So you ran field trials, birds, right?
Bill and I did that for about 25, 30 years.
25, 30 years. Was there a particular breed of bird dog that you were more committed to?
Well, any good bird dog
Right.
we love, but we mainly concentrated with Brittany's,
Okay.
and most all of our field trialing was with the Brittany field trials.
Okay. So you ran Brittany's exclusively for the most part.
Right.
Okay. Now, have you tried other dogs, other breed of dogs?
Oh, we trained all of them.
Okay.
We trained pointing dogs
Okay.
too, so we've trained about.
So you've had the German
every-
short hairs, the Weimaraners, all of those?
You bet.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you, Bill. Good talking to you. All right, take care. So hey, everybody, this is Dustin. I went out with him this morning. He used a dog this morning named Duke, and Duke was just a phenomenal bird dog. I think we killed all our birds except one, and that wasn't the fault of the dog. Okay, so but hey, Dustin, it was good hunting with you this morning. How long have you been bird hunting?
Yeah, so I've been bird hunting pretty much my whole life. I grew up, doing it with my grandpa, and so I've been in and around the bird hunting scene for a long time.
Long time. Okay,
Yeah.
now this dog right here. Which dog is this here?
This is Jake.
That's Jake.
Yep.
Oh, that's your 2-year-old.
This is my 2-year-old dog.
Okay. Now how's he doing for you?
He's doing really well. He's coming along great. You know, he's holding his points. He's really got some good range to him, and he's been a lot of fun. He's going to be a good one.
Yeah. Now is he related to Duke at all?
Similar lines.
Similar line? Okay.
Yeah, similar lines, but not not
Not directly.
Not directly.
Gotcha. Now how long have you been guiding here at Wilnor?
About 6 years.
6 years.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
You like it here?
Yeah, it's
Okay.
good fun. You know, it's good to meet a lot of folks and get out and show people bird hunting and what I enjoy.
Okay. Now let me ask you this because I don't know the answer to the question. Do you bird hunt all year round here, or does he shut off at a certain time of year?
Yeah. So usually about the end of March is kind of the cutoff for the season here.
Okay.
And usually starts up mid to late October.
Got you.
Yeah.
Got you. So in between, you're running your dogs and guiding. Do you get time to hunt yourself?
I do.
Okay.
I do. Yeah. I usually try to carve out a little time to make some trips, up north and out west, and kind of bounce around really all over the place. South Dakota, North Dakota, Iowa. Any chance I get, I try to get out and do it.
Well, I tell you what, they say that a man's dogs are a reflection of his ability and his passion. And if that statement is true, I can tell that you're a very passionate guy, and you're doing well because, like I say, I saw your dogs work this morning. You've got some really good dogs. Hey, nice meeting you. Nice hunting with you today.
Yeah, nice to meet you as well.
All right, take care, bud. All right, thanks. All right.
Fetch it up. Good dog. What's up?
Yep.
Who's there?
Chukar again. Good dog. Here. That one's on it right here. Here.
Hey, Don, come on up.
Yep. Nice.
I don't know. You shot that first time.
First, and I shot the second time.
No, it's moving. You're ready, Chad. Fetch it up. She pointing? Yeah, she is. Whoa! Kill it.
Does it?
Watch it. She's got to get it. She's on it.
He ain't hurt though. Hold on, where's he going? Let's watch him.
Fella, no.
Where's he going down? Where's he going down?
He's one in the woods. He's one in the woods over there.
He's down right
I
there.
see it. The white
Yep,
tree.
he's down right there.
Dog ain't on it, is it?
It was too far.
Find it. Find it. She figured it out. She just got find it.
Pheasant, get ready.
It's on the ground.
Good dog.
On the ground.
On the ground, front of the 2 point. Good dog. You heard Pete when he popped out of the cover there? Yep, I heard it. Come.
All right, so hey, we're out here today with the K9 Search and Rescue Team fundraiser bird hunt. This is my buddy Tony Lambert. He's a captain on the St. Louis Fire Department. I'm a captain as well. We've got a couple other guys hunting with us. But so far we've got what, 2 pheasants on the ground?
2 pheasants and about 6 chukars and 2 quail.
We've got 2 pheasants, about 6 chukars and 2 quail. We're having a good day out here. We still got 2 more pheasants to go kick up, and a few more chukars and a few more quails, but we're getting through it. We're having a good time out here today. This is Bella, his chocolate lab. How old is Bella, Tony?
Bella's 5.
Bella's 5 years old. She's doing good work out here today, man. We're having a good time. You ready? What is all is running?
Pitch it up. That was a nice point there. Come. This is gonna be quail. She's acting weird like she did on the other quail.
Run it.
Kill it. Pitch it up, Bella.
There's something in there. I'm trying to see if I see tracks in there. Oh, he's right there. That bird's sitting right there.
Good dog.
Good job, Bella. He's been there for a while. Watch out, watch out, watch out! That's me all day, baby. I didn't hear you. Did you do it? Yeah, that's all. Good one. I like that.
Come, right here. Come. Here. Here. Come.
No, I'm going to say something like you say to me, did you see him? Did you see? Okay, did you see him on the run?